Hello, this is Greg Ryder, and welcome to another BizPad little training session for all you BizPadders out there. Hey, I worked on a new project last night, and I thought to myself, man, I got to share this with all the BizPadders because, I've been using this for a long time, 5 companies, dozens of people, and I have ways of doing things. And if you can learn some stuff from me that makes your life more efficient, makes you more productive, that's what this is all about. So let me explain to you what I did with this BYOU Deal of the Week project. So this is a project that has to do with our apparel line. We have a lifestyle brand called Be Your Own You, and it's an apparel line. And we're going to create a deal of the week. So kind of like a deal of the day, but it's going to be a deal of the week. And so each week we're going to profile one of our apparel, one of our clothing, shirts or lines, or an accessory, give it a special price, and do a bunch of marketing. So I started off by creating the project. As I created the project, obviously, I added the people that I wanted into the project over here. And then I put, this project is for our new deal of the day that we will start the week of November 19th. Deal starts on Wednesday and ends on the following Wednesday. So now, as everybody gets in, they know where they're going to read that first post. Now everyone I added to this project knows what the project is about. And then so the first task was to come up with 5 weeks of deals and discuss ideas, products, and prices with Greg. And I sent it to Emily, and I want that done on 11/19, right? So that's going back to the date. That gives me, that's next Monday. So next Monday we can kick into gear and launch our first deal of the week on the 21st, right? So there's the calendar. So then I said, okay, what's involved with this? And I said, okay, I always like to organize things in folders. So I said, okay, graphic design tasks is what's involved with this. I said administrative tasks are what are involved with this. And I said marketing tasks are involved with this. And I'm not sure that I missed something, but that's what I came up with right there. So I literally sat down. I said, okay, I create a folder for graphic. I create a folder for administrative task. And I created a folder for marketing tasks. And I started saying, okay, what do we need to do? Week 1, we need to create images that can be emailed, Facebook cover page, posted on the deal of the day of that product. Maybe have some deal of the week logo that can be used on all images for brand consistency every week. Assign that to Emily, going, you got to create that by the 19th. Week 2, create the images that can be emailed, Facebook cover page, posted for the deal week 2, week 3. So basically, I need images for each deal, each product for 5 weeks, right? Then what I did is I said, okay, let's go in to the reoccurring settings, and I didn't do any recurring settings in this. So this is just the due dates when these need to be done. Now I talked to Emily. She says I'm just going to kick them all out in one day, so they're all done, and they're all done. I said okay. So then we go down to administrative tasks. So I said, okay, Susie needs to log into our shopping cart and program the deal and the discount. So this is my first reoccurring task. So I went into reoccurring. I set up reoccurring scheduled. I said weekly, and I want this done on Tuesday. So Emily's going to create the graphics by Monday. She's going to go in and program the deal on Tuesday, and then everything else is going to kick in on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's from a marketing perspective. And then down here I said assign to Susie. So every week the reoccurring is going to do it. I said start this on 11/20, which is Tuesday, and reassign it to Susie. So every week this is going to pop up and she's going to know what she has to do. Then I said, okay, we're going to write a press release. There's a girl that writes press releases for me, and again, I program that with her, reoccurring on Wednesday. I want that produced on Wednesday and released on Wednesday, right? So every deal of the week, hey, there's BU's got a new deal of the week, press release going out. Change the Facebook cover page. Again, reoccurring. So I go up here, reoccurring. I want that done on Wednesday. So now one deal is going to end, next deal is going to launch, and we're going to put that image on our Facebook cover page, right? So you can see I created all the tasks, I set up all the reoccurring schedules, and everyone knows the dates I want them done, they know when I want them done by, etc. So then go down to marketing tasks. Write an email for every deal of the week. I want that done every Tuesday. So again, we go over here to reoccurring, I set up reoccurring scheduled, it's a weekly task, I want it on Tuesdays, assigned to Emily Ream, there you go, right? Email Club Symphonique and Symphonique Database, the deal of the week, Wednesday a.m., right? So again, I'm going to do that. So then Wednesday, post images and promote BU fan page and other Facebook fan pages in the a.m. between 8 and 11. So I'm going to have Emily post some fan page posts every morning, and then every afternoon, evening, I'm going to post. So I know and I believe that 2 posts a day on Facebook are plenty to promote our apparel. It's not overdoing it. It's not underdoing it. But we need to hit the morning people and we hit the evening people. So I assign tasks. And again, I go into reoccurring and it's all set up. Reoccurring, weekly, Wednesday, boom. Now, then I got Thursday. I'm like, hey, I want to post on Thursday too. So I create another task to post on Thursday between 8 and 11 p.m. and 4 and 10 p.m. And I want to post on Saturday. I'm going to skip Friday because I think Fridays are worthless for doing Facebook posts, but I want to post on Saturday. So I create another task on Saturday. I want to post on Sunday, so I create a task for Sunday. And again, I set up the reoccurring task so it's automatically going to pop up and remind me, hey, I've got to get this done. Now I assign some of this stuff to me. In the future, I might reassign it to somebody else. And then I got write and send emails to BU affiliates about the deal of the week and ask them to promote. Now you can see I haven't assigned that to anybody yet, and I probably haven't set up the recurring settings, but I will. I'll set up recurring settings and I'll send it to somebody, and then that will get done. And then I make a blog post at blogbeyourown.com, kidsafe.com, geniusmoms.com. I'm talking awful fast, aren't I? About the deal of the day and link it to the store. So those are what I sat down and in 30 minutes came with all these tasks, put them in, program them in, and boom, now it's going. Now the team can go in here, they can add stuff, we can collaborate, we can add other stuff, and I've got the whole thing systemized. Save money, hold people accountable, get stuff done. This is what you need to do. Think about your project, think about the folders, think about the administrative, think about the graphics, think about the websites, think about the marketing, assign all the tasks, put it into a system, and it will make your life more profitable and easier. I promise you. So this is Greg Rutter saying thanks for tuning in for another BizPatter training session. Do what I do. Wake up every day with an attitude of gratitude and tell somebody you love them.